This is an Amish farm, newly built. They've just moved into our area. And when the Amish get something done, by golly, they get something done. So Amish man's getting his stuff delivered. It's amazing what they do. There's the owner's buggy parked beside a semi. And looks like the man is a steel worker. He likes lathes and machine tools. It's a lathe on the back. It looks like a hammer press. Is it or is it not? Surface grinder? That's a surface grinder. I have no idea what that is. That's a steel lathe. And the Amish bought him a brand new fork truck. Tell you what, Amish got some coin, buddy.